Hello guys and welcome back. I've just came back into this job. Everything is here now. I have my shower tray and the cubicle, all the fittings around here, and yeah, we are ready to start. I just left this shower room like that for probably a couple of weeks. And yeah, I just came back. You can see now we have a shaver on the wall. Somebody came here and changed the spotlights. And anyway, now it's ready for us to start. Yeah, like I was saying, I have everything here, but now it's quite crowded. So yeah, let's jump on it and let's just finish this job, because it's kind of taking a while to finish it, seeing that we didn't have all the stuff ready here. So yeah, I believe now we're ready and let's just jump on it. installed some of the bathroom fittings. We still need to do the radiator, the towel radiator, which is going to be right here. Meanwhile, my client is trying to help a little bit. And also, before you are going to ask me again about waterproofing, it's not me to decide. My client is here. I told him to waterproof the shower and he didn't want it. Why he didn't want it?
Because I didn't want it.
Because he didn't want it. So remember, it's always the client that is going to decide, not the builder. Anyway, yeah, we are just going to install the towel rail right now, do the silicone seal and a bit of cleaning, and I believe that's quite everything that we need to do at the moment. And of course, taking out all this mess that is around here. So, all right, let's continue.
O să vezi cum mai trebuie.
Alright guys, so our job finally is completed. Our shower room is done. Everything was silicone sealed all around. It's still wet from the glass cleaner that I used for that. And yeah, this is our shower. Let's put it on. All right, so everything it's working nice and fine. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that and with the people that I have to work with. And yeah, it was a easy one, let's say it. I can say it like that because I quite had fun onto this job. So yeah. So, alright then, like my usual, don't forget to squeeze that like button and see you on the next one.